Hi guys, you're welcome to our program on natural medicine, on Nigerian traditional medicine. Today we are going to talk about this plant, Dandelion. Dandelion. Mafokomomi. You know the main Mommy, don't touch my baby. If you can identify it well, this is getting dried because we just planted it. We brought it all the way from far away, Peshi, and we planted it not up to 2 days now because of this program. Anyway, dandelion grows in all countries of the world, even people that have eyes beg. But the only difference between the European and the African herbs is because our sunshine gives us strong organic herbs. That's why ours is the best. Our herbs are the best. This is dandelion. Mafokomomi. Dandelion is one of the best herbs for management of spontaneous abortion. If you are a woman that is always having miscarriage the first pregnancy, miscarriage the second pregnancy, miscarriage third, it is not as a result of hormonal imbalance like the low progesterone. It can be as a result of known or unknown things. This Mafokomomi, this dandelion, is one of the best herbs we use to stop abortion, miscarriage in women. In fact, my grandmother taught me this. She used to give it to women when they are having problem of miscarriage, and by God's grace the bleeding will stop and the pregnancy will continue to term. A lot of things can be the cause of miscarriage. Some can be as a result of some pathogenic microorganisms like Escherichia coli. Escherichia coli can perforate pregnancy, amniotic fluid, even at 9 months, 7 months, 8 months, 6, 7, 3, 4. So, some of these herbs, if you notice you have a bacteria like Escherichia coli, you treat it before pregnancy, or if there is pregnancy, you make sure you treat it so that it will not make pregnancy to collapse, like perforating the amniotic fluid and you lose the pregnancy. So Mafokomomi is very good in helping women to stop having abortion. In Yoruba, it's called "Don't touch my pikin." That is Mafokomomi. That is, if you drink it, it's giving you command, don't spoil that baby in Jesus' name. Okay, now we go to another part of the dandelion. The dandelion is one of the best herbs for problems of kidney stone. It's one of the best herbs for problems of kidney stone. Just make a tea out of it morning and night. Within a period of 6 weeks, there will be a different result from what you have. That's dandelion for you. Then gallbladder stone, the liquid extract of Mafokomomi and beetroot taken for 6 weeks helps to dissolve gallbladder stone and kidney stone. That's one of the things it does. Then another one, if you're having asthma, you wheeze, you have noise from your lungs, when you want to relax, you hear sound from your lungs. If you're having wheezing noise, you hear okay. For everything about dandelion, you will see that it's safe for human consumption. It's just that many people don't know the other part of it. That is dandelion for you. It can be harvested in large quantity, washed properly, dried under the sun or room temperature, put into powdered form, and you can use it as tea. You can travel from one country to another country in powdered form. You can use it as tea if you have it in your garden. You can, if you plant 1 or 2, before 1 month it will full everywhere. That's dandelion for you. Ma for come on me. Don't touch my baby. That's where we will stop today with Dr. Ifeyinwa Ezeike reporting. Our phone numbers are on the screen. Please give me your like. I'll give you my love by teaching you all this. Follow us on our page at Glory Queen of Rosary Videos. It will put a smile on your face. Have a beautiful day. See you on another program.